Hello, I have a couple of different hauls. I went to Ikea, I went to Hobby Lobby, I went to Target, and I'm also gonna probably show some Aliexpress in here. But I bought up these photo frames so that I could put it in my room here, because I have different lighthouses and I didn't have enough frames for, so I bought 3 more, which still I don't have enough. So I bought that from Ikea. And then from Hobby Lobby, I bought this pen. It's a calligraphy 1.1 millimeter, and it did come with an extra ink. And see the tip. So that's how that looks. I did start writing with it already, and then I did pick up some refills for $4.99. That one was $7.99, and this was $4.99, and it comes with 2 blue, 2 purple, pink, green, and I don't know the other 2 colors, but those are the colors. I think that's brown, and that's like an orange, probably. It doesn't say the colors here. Nope. So that's that. That's the only thing I got from Hobby Lobby. Then I went to Target and I picked up the Dymo label refills, and I saw this in the dollar spot, and it says homemade with love, and that's how it stamps out, and that was $1. Okay, now for some Aliexpress. So I did buy these. This one says love, and this one is the little envelope with a heart. They did come separate, so I had to buy this and then the metal, because I didn't want to be unscrewing with the ones that I had, so I just bought the little stick to it. So that's that. Then I picked up this to heat the wax. You put it like this, and then you put a little small candle in here, and then you heat it up, and then you put these little things to melt. So I picked that up from Aliexpress. Then I picked up these ribbons, but they're not like ribbon, they're more like and it's not elastic, it's like string in silver, gold, and red. So I picked that up. Then I picked up these envelopes, and they are, I think, 5 each. This one says my heart is with you, and that's the decoration that it comes with. Sorry for the glare. This one says experience must be bought, and then it has a tree branch there, and that's the decorative there. There's nothing decorative, it's the same thing front and back on these envelopes. And then this one says make my heart smile. That's how that looks. And the back is the same. And then live more, worry less. And then it has the little lamp on top, the light, and then the radio, and some tea or coffee maybe. And that's the back. And that, I believe, is, oh no, And then I picked up these because I do make soap, handmade soap. And when people buy more than one soap, I want them to put it here so that it can last longer. So I bought 20 of these. And I took them out of the container. That's why it's not nicely packed, but it was nicely packed. And oh, my husband bought this for me, and it's supposed to show you the galaxies in your bedroom. I told him, oh, when I was little I always wanted one, and he comes and buys it for me, but it's the one that you have to build yourself. So I'm gonna wait for him so that we could do it together. So hopefully it works, because it does come from China, and I hope it has English instructions on how to build this. Because it looks all in another language, the instructions. So hopefully he knows how to do it. So that is it. I'll be back with a Picket Fence Studio stamp set that I bought, and more Aliexpress that I did cut out the dies, and I want to show you that. Okay, as always, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber and you want to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment if you have a question, and I will answer it right away. I don't know how to link things to my video, that's why I don't do it. I know I get a lot of questions on that, so that is that. So have a good night and stay tuned for my other video. Bye bye.